Hello, dear viewers. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. In my previous videos, I explained various aspects of adsorption. These videos have been very popular. Therefore, in this video, I would like to explain common errors in adsorption study. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, error functions are used to evaluate various kinetic and isotherm models related to different physical processes. Now, the common errors are residual root mean square error. The equation is this: average relative error and sum of absolute errors, hybrid fractional error function, nonlinear chi-square test, and coefficient of determination. Among these, R square is commonly used for both linear and nonlinear fitting errors. The detailed description of these errors have been already discussed in my previous videos. I will provide the link of these videos in the description box. So this is the references from where most of the informations have been collected. If you have any query, please do leave your comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation. Like, comment, share for new videos.